Hypothesis testing is a formula procedure for investing our ideas about the wrong using the word using statistics. It is most often used by scientists to test specific productions called hypotheses that arise from theories. There are five main steps in hypothesis testing. State your research hypothesis as a null hypothesis and alternate hypothesis, HO and HA or H1. Collect data in way designed to test the hypothesis. Perform an appropriate statistical test. Decide whether to reject or fail to reject your null hypothesis. Present the finding in your result and discussion selection. Through the specific details might vary. Procedure you will use when testing a hypothesis will always follow some versions of these hypotheses. Step 1. Step 1. State your null and alternate hypothesis. Step 2. Collect data. Step 3. Perform statistical tests. Step 4. Decide whether to reject or to fail reject. Same shit. And this is step 1. State your null alternate hypothesis. Okay, so we read this already. And after that, the alternate hypothesis is usually an initial hypothesis that predicts a relation between variables. The null hypothesis is a prediction of no relationship between the variables you are interested in. Okay, so after that we're gonna go through the hypothesis testing example. So we are given an example here. You want to test whether there is a relationship between gender or height. For psychology, you formulate a hypothesis that men are on average taller than women. To test this hypothesis, you state as well. So it is like step 2 is collect data from a statistical test to be valid. It is important to perform sampling and collect data in a way that is designed to your hypothesis. It is a data not representative that you can make. Example is given again. What can proofreading do? Okay, here's ad. I'm sorry. Step 3. Perform a statistical test that averages available are all based on comparison within a group of variance. How spread the data is within the category versus between the group variance. How different can the categories are from one another. Okay, so after that, alternatively, if there is high within the group variance and low between the group variance, the new statistical test will affect a high p-value. This means a likely difference measured between the group chance due to choice of and after that, step 4, decide whether to reject or to fail or to null hypothesis. After that, step 5, present your findings. Step 6, frequently asked questions. These are of no use, to be honest, and these are scribbled articles. Frequently asked question, and then we got this research papers. So okay guys, thank you very much. Thank you very much for listening to me. I appreciate you guys. Thank you very much.